Close eyes and listen to a sound that simply does not exist in the modern automotive world anymore. It is a sharp, screaming, mechanical wail that rips through the night air at nearly 9,000 revolutions per minute. This is not the artificial sound of a modern turbocharged supercar or the silent hum of a heavy electric vehicle. You are listening to the glorious, unadulterated soul of the 1995 Ferrari F355 Spider. Today, we live in a digital world where cars are faster, smarter, and safer than they have ever been in human history. Modern supercars use massive computer systems, hybrid batteries, and automatic gearboxes to make speed effortless for anyone behind the wheel. But somewhere along the line, in our absolute obsession with lap times and digital screens, we lost something irreplaceable. We lost the raw, terrifying, and beautiful connection between a human being, a manual gearbox, and the open sky. Before we dive deeper into this analog masterpiece, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out the special links in the description below. The Ferrari F355 Spider stands as the ultimate gatekeeper, representing the precise moment before technology completely took over the automotive industry. It is widely considered by purists to be the absolute last analog masterpiece ever to roll out of the legendary factory gates in Maranello. This video is not a standard review filled with boring specifications and textbook numbers that you can find anywhere on the internet. This is a deep dive into why this specific open-top Italian weapon remains the ultimate antidote to our sterile, quiet, and hyper-regulated modern world. To truly understand the magic of the F355 Spider, you must first understand the design language of the 1990s. The legendary design house Pininfarina spent thousands of hours in a specialized wind tunnel to sculpt a body that did not require massive, ugly wings to stay glued to the road. Instead, they used clever underbody aerodynamics to create a shape that looks remarkably clean, low, and perfectly proportioned from every angle. When you approach this car, it does not look aggressive or angry like a modern Lamborghini. It looks like a timeless piece of rolling sculpture. The Spider version takes this visual elegance and completely elevates it into a theatrical performance. Unlike modern convertibles that use heavy, complicated metal folding structures, the F355 utilizes a classic, beautiful black canvas top that folds neatly away. When that roof is dropped, the clean silhouette of the car forms a straight, unbroken line from the front fender all the way to the signature round taillights. Onlookers are treated to a glorious view of the exposed leather interior and the low-slung windshield frame that puts you directly in touch with the elements. Driving this car with the top down transforms your entire relationship with the environment around you. You are no longer trapped inside a well-insulated, climate-controlled luxury cage staring through a thick layer of glass. Instead, you can feel the immediate temperature change as you drive into a dark canyon, smell the asphalt, and feel the rush of the air against your face. It is a highly visceral sensory experience that forces you to be completely present in the physical world, leaving all your digital distractions behind. The beating heart of this analog masterpiece is a spectacular 3.5-liter V8 engine that represents a historic milestone for Ferrari engineering. In 1994, Ferrari took everything they had learned from competing at the absolute peak of Formula One racing and packed it into a road-legal sports car. The result was the introduction of a highly advanced 5-valve cylinder head design, which is exactly why the car is named the 355. This unique engine layout allowed the V8 to breathe with incredible efficiency, pushing the red line to a staggering 8,500 RPM. What makes this naturally aspirated power plant truly legendary is how it delivers its performance compared to modern turbocharged engines. Today, modern sports cars give you all their power instantly at low speeds, which can make driving feel digital and predictable. The F355 demands that you work for your speed, building power gradually and becoming a completely different animal as you pass 5,000 RPM. As the variable exhaust valve opens, the engine note transforms from a deep mechanical growl into a terrifying high-pitched Formula One scream. When you drive the Spider version, this mechanical symphony is not filtered through sound insulation or pumped artificially through luxury cabin speakers. With the canvas roof stored away behind your head, you are sitting mere inches from the raw induction noise of the intake and the screaming exhaust pipes. Every single millimeter of throttle input results in an immediate, explosive acoustic reaction that echoes violently off canyon walls and city tunnels. It is an emotional, spine-chilling soundtrack that modern regulations and turbochargers have completely erased from the streets forever. If the engine is the heart of the F355 Spider, then the iconic chrome-gated manual shifter is its absolute soul. In a modern supercar, shifting gears is as simple and uninspiring as clicking a plastic button on a computer keyboard. The car does all the hard work for you, calculating rev matches perfectly, and execution shifts in milliseconds without any driver thought. The F355 completely rejects this digital laziness, demanding absolute precision, timing, and physical effort from the person sitting in the driver's seat. Moving the polished aluminum shift knob through that beautiful, exposed steel gate is a deeply satisfying mechanical ritual. Every single gear change rewards you with a distinct metallic click-clank sound that resonates clearly through the open-air cockpit. You can feel the heavy steel linkages moving deep within the transmission, connecting your hand directly to the mechanical gears spinning behind you. It requires you to master the art of the heel and toe downshift, perfectly balancing the clutch and the throttle with your own feet. This manual layout creates a profound level of driver engagement that a modern automatic car can never replicate, regardless of how much horsepower it has. When you execute a flawless downshift into a sharp corner, listening to the engine rev match perfectly as the shifter slides into place, the satisfaction is immense. You know that the car did not help you. It was your own human skill, coordination, and timing that achieved perfection. It turns a simple drive to the grocery store or a weekend cruise into an athletic, deeply rewarding human achievement. Stepping inside the cockpit of the F355 Spider feels like taking a refreshing journey back to a simpler, more focused era of human design. There are no massive, distracting touchscreen displays dominating the center console, no digital menus to scroll through, and no driving modes to configure. The dashboard is a clean, minimalist landscape lined with high-quality Italian leather and beautiful, traditional analog gauges with bright orange needles. The three main dials sit directly behind the steering wheel, giving you the only information you actually need: speed, engine temperature, and RPM. Everything about this interior is designed to eliminate clutter and focus your mind entirely on the pure act of driving. The three-spoke steering wheel is completely round, free of any modern buttons, switches, or cruise control toggles that complicate the experience. Your hands rest on pure, clean leather, and your eyes look forward at the road ahead rather than down at a glowing computer interface. It is a space that respects the driver's intelligence, operating on the philosophy that a sports car should be a machine you control, not a mobile device you operate. This purism extends to how the car handles the road, utilizing a hydraulic steering rack that delivers an unbelievable amount of physical feedback. Modern electric steering systems feel completely disconnected, filtering out the textures and imperfections of the road surface to maximize luxury comfort. The F355 steering wheel vibrates, pulls, and talks to your hands constantly, telling you exactly how much grip the front tires have on the asphalt. Through the open cockpit, you feel completely plugged into the machine, reading the road surface like a piece of braille. However, we cannot talk about the legendary status of the Ferrari F355 Spider without discussing the dark, terrifying reality of its ownership. The very same mechanical complexity that makes this car an absolute masterpiece also makes it one of the most notoriously high-maintenance vehicles on Earth. To perform a standard timing belt service, which must be done every 3 to 5 years, mechanics cannot simply work under the engine cover. They must literally drop the entire rear subframe, removing the engine and transmission completely from the bottom of the car. This labor-intensive process means that even a routine service can easily cost thousands of dollars before you even consider replacing worn-out parts. The car also suffers from notorious design flaws of the 90s, including fragile exhaust manifolds that can crack under extreme heat and destroy the engine valves. There is also the infamous sticky plastics issue, where the interior buttons break down over time and turn into a messy black tar. Owning an F355 Spider is not a casual hobby. It is a serious, long-term financial commitment that requires deep patience and an open checkbook. Yet, despite all these terrifying maintenance warnings and the constant threat of an expensive breakdown, the demand for this car is skyrocketing. Enthusiasts around the world are starting to realize that you can always buy more horsepower, but you can never buy back lost analog soul. The pain of the high maintenance bills fades away completely the exact moment you find an empty road, drop the canvas top, and let that V8 scream toward 9,000 RPM. It is a high-stakes, emotional relationship that makes every single successful drive feel like a hard-fought victory. Let us compare this 90s icon to a modern supercar like a Ferrari F8 Tributo or an SF90 Stradale to see how much car culture has shifted. A modern Ferrari is a staggering masterpiece of performance, packing nearly 1,000 horsepower and accelerating from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. They are so fast and so capable that they defy the laws of physics on a racetrack, breaking records effortlessly. But on a public road, at legal speed limits, these modern machines can often feel incredibly clinical, quiet, and surprisingly boring. To feel any excitement in a modern hypercar, you have to drive at speeds that are highly illegal and incredibly dangerous on public infrastructure. The car is so smart and so protective that you feel like a passenger wrapped in cotton watching a computer simulation execute the driving dynamics. The F355 Spider completely flips this equation on its head, delivering a massive adrenaline rush at completely legal, manageable speeds. Traveling at 50 miles per hour in an F355 with the top down feels faster, louder, and more terrifying than traveling at 150 miles per hour in a modern luxury cabin. Every single corner requires your full attention, every shift is a risk, and the wind roaring through the open cockpit heightens every single human sensor. You are driving a mechanical beast that can bite you if you make a mistake, creating a genuine sense of danger and excitement that modern safety systems have completely engineered away. This car does not care about your lap times or your social media status, it cares about how well you can drive. It is a stark reminder that true automotive joy is measured in emotion and heartbeat, not in numbers on a spreadsheet. As the sun begins to set and the cool night air fills the cabin of the F355 Spider, you realize that this machine is much more than just an old sports car. It is a beautiful, rolling time capsule that preserves a golden era of human engineering that we will never see again. It represents the absolute peak of mechanical purity, built by passionate humans for people who genuinely love the analog art of driving. As emission laws tighten, electric vehicles take over, and automated driving becomes the standard, the value of this screaming V8 will only grow. If you have the financial means and the bravery to accept the high maintenance costs, parking an F355 Spider in your garage is the ultimate statement against the modern world. It means you choose connection over convenience, mechanical symphony over digital silence, and human skill over computer automation. So, let us hand the conversation over to you. Would you rather have a modern, 1,000 horsepower digital hypercar, or would you trade all that speed for the raw, screaming analog soul of this 90s Spider? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, hit that like button if you prefer manual gearboxes, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into classic convertible culture. Until next time, turn off your screens, step outside, drop the top on your machine, and remember what it feels like to truly drive. Until next time, turn off your screens, step outside, drop the top on your machine, and remember what it feels like to truly drive. Keep the passion alive, stay safe on the roads, and I will see you in the very next video. Take care.